I'm here in the bodega of Cebu Home Builders because I have to get ito 3 pieces of this tile that I have been installing in the generator room, and because you know they're very old, just the old tiles that I have in the bar, and we found one. Because when we come in, they will saying that they only have mat, and now we found one. Buing man is tutoy na sugda na tulon like uwang. So this one is like already been phased out because the tiles is not straight, like a little bit of wave. So we found the tree. So like here they have like broken edge of Hardiplex. You can see it there. And this regular price of this one, 6mm, is $3.75 each. And they're selling this one here now for 200 pesos each. So if your project is not so big and you don't need a lot, I think you better have a look at the bodegas, you know, the face out ones. And old stocks. Napausa oh. So we found the tree. Kana tagpila na mga inana dong from 95 to 50 pesos. Mostly are 50 pesos each, 60 by 60. But 3 or 4 are the same. So it's not like I said, like projects outside your house. It's not gonna be where you have to like storage rooms. But I use my old tiles from the bar, so that's useful. And that you can see all the bodega here. They got toilets. Kanang inana nga toilets gagmay tagpila daw. 500 pesos for those toilets, ordinary one. Pareha sa sink. Kana. So 500 pesos for the sinks as well. These are the face out sinks. So they got so much here as of the moment. So it's hard to have a look around, even here on the side. Luckily, I found the tree. Pareha eh. Okay dong. Tagpila na? Squinta. 150. So it's now 50 pesos each. So same here. They got all the face out ones. So tiles here, like this one is already phased out. Some are already broken. Like this pink one here, 6 pesos and 50 cents each. Now you have here the brown ones. They already pack it in by 20s. They got no more packaging. That's 10 pesos each. This is for wall tiles. So like I said, if you are not fussed about your project, might as well have a look. Kana kang ba tagpila namre presyo, no? Have a look at the bodegas, although they have a little bit of that's 3.7 per baht. So most of the tiles here in the bodega, you know, the face out ones, are 50% off. Like this one, 40 by 40 at 39 pesos. And these are the designs that they have. And you got that one 30 by 30, 17 pesos. Can't move in here, but that pink one, that tiny one, 20 by 20, it starts at 20 pesos. Oh, 6.50, 20 by 20, 6 pesos and 50 cents. Those 20 by 20. So it varies. You got the bigger ones. But like I said, I suggest that you have a look. If your project is just small, that's tiling a small room, you might be able to get up tiles here at very low price. And also like bathrooms. You also got decorative tiles like this, like in bows, at 49 pesos each, 20 by 20. But these are the designer tiles. The 49 pesos, there's 10.50, 39. But these are the one on this side are the designer tiles. Decoration, the like accents. So this is like the Bodega one, your everyday bargain outlet, because this is where all the face out, broken, and all that. Look, if they got here up to 70% off with this broken granites from the retail price. I can't give you the, but there's loads here. Got a chip on the corner, or like that one. Like all those Hardiplex. It's now 200 pesos each. So there's a load of tiles that's like already been phased out like this here. That's 49 pesos each. Those wood effect tiles, but there are not so many. So what they have right now is like a lot of contractors is like a whole batch of like lingkong, we call it, like not straight tiles is what they're after here, because it's half price. So those are the Bodega ones, and here this is where they stock all their stuff that's coming from the suppliers, all the C4 So I'm going in to pay those 3 pieces of tiles that I'm after. At least I found it. I did not listen to what they said. Oh, we don't have it. So I just start picking up the piles that they have.